Hi everybody, it was a rainy day when I filmed this new 1 bedroom, 1 bath house that's just been added to the market. It's a pre-owned house at L-2 in Carteret Mobile Park, which is Carteret, New Jersey, Middlesex County, New Jersey. We are a land lease community and we're going to go through this house and show you all the renovations we're going to do. We're going to add gutters to the house. I think we're painting the shutters. We'll have the house power washed. This is the propane tank for the house. Here's your yard. It has a little shed. This is the back side of the house. And the steps will be power washed and the back door will be painted. I think they're looking into adding central air conditioning to this house. And then they'll weed the front yard and make it all really pretty. That's what it looks like. This is 1 car parking in front of the house. So we're going to go inside and I'll show you what they've already started doing inside the house. So I'll be doing updated videos as we continue renovating this house. So the house hasn't been painted yet. So here's the front end kitchen. Makes it really big. It's a pretty pendant light and you can have a table right there. Those are all wood cabinets. So there'll be a new refrigerator, a new gas stove, a new range hood, and then there'll be laminate flooring in the kitchen, living room, hallway, and bathroom. So here, take a look at the living room, the ceiling. I haven't seen the sample of the laminate yet, but when I get it, again, I'll do another video and show you the house as it progresses. So we're going to have a series of videos for this house as we continue renovating. It's a perfect house for a single person. This is a DeRose home built in 1990. Now here's an area for the washing machine and a little cabinet above it. And here's the other section, the back door, and the little section here for the dryer. That's for an electric dryer. So I'll step back and you can see this unique little laundry area. And all this will be redone, all the flooring. So here's the bathroom. The bathroom's going to be pretty much gutted. And there'll be a new bathroom with a tiled shower stall, a new vanity, a new toilet. And of course, it'll be a new linen see that we took out the sink there. So they're going to be redoing everything in this bathroom. The bedroom will have new carpeting. It's a pretty nice sized bedroom. I don't have a size for this or a floor plan. And behind the door, we've got the electric panel and the closet on that wall. Here's the closet. And then the 100 amp electric panel. So if you're interested in this house while we're renovating, you're welcome to go to the website. There's our Coleman furnace. And jump at this chance to fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will elicit a series of emails. So now we're going to run through still photographs of the house in its current condition before we do the renovations. So stay tuned as we make a lot of progress on this adorable little house. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'd love for you to let other people know about Carteret Mobile Park, myhomeincarteret.com. This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the second generation, and then our nephew and our son are the third generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office. This is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet. It's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1-bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing. We have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.